I tried Keplr wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I started testing the Keplr wallet app, I thought it was just another browser wallet. But after using it for a full week, the shocking truth is that Keplr might be the best all-in-one tool for the Cosmos blockchain ecosystem, especially if you're into staking or DeFi. On day 1, setup was incredibly fast. Within minutes, I created a wallet, backed up my seed phrase, and connected to the Keplr browser extension. The interface was clean and direct, no unnecessary clutter, just the essentials. By day 2, I began exploring the supported networks. This is where Keplr stands out. It doesn't just support Cosmos, it also integrates with networks like Osmosis, Secret, and Akash. You can manage dozens of tokens from one dashboard without ever switching apps. Midweek, I tried staking some Atom. Process was straightforward. Choose a validator, delegate your tokens, and start earning rewards almost instantly. Most people don't realize how easy Keplr makes this. No third-party platform, no confusing steps, just direct on-chain staking. By day 5, I connected Keplr to decentralized apps. The wallet seamlessly worked with DeFi protocols and NFV platforms built on the Cosmos ecosystem. It handled transactions quickly, with clear confirmation prompts to avoid mistakes. By day 7, the shocking truth about Keplr became clear. It's not just a wallet, it's a gateway to the entire Cosmos network. It's simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough for advanced users who want to stake, trade, and explore would-be with confidence. If you're looking to go beyond Ethereum and discover what multi-chain really means, Keplr might be the wallet that opens the door. It proves that blockchain innovation doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be smartly designed.